Hello friend, welcome back. Today we will develop one of the web application with using one of the vibe coding tools as Emergent. Emergent is the first agentic vibe coding platform built for serious builders. It's transformed natural conversation into a production-grade full-stack application without requiring developers. It does not just help you code, it builds end-to-end real database, working APIs, security authentication, productions-ready infrastructures. They have also one of the free option. That means here when you're getting started, you can create some of the free account, and for the free you will get that 10 free token per month credit. So with the 10 credit, almost you can develop one of the single application, or rather than if you want to go to that standard package, that will be as a $17 per month. Here a lot of the functionality you can able to add it. 100 credits you will be able to get it per month, and here that is a individual or the team enterprise. So now I want to do for today's, I will create one of the web application with the free account without spending any amount. Here only you have to go to that get started and sign up with your email. And after that logging, you will get this type of one of the very clean one of the interface. And as I told you, for free account you already get that 10 credits, and with this 10 credits you can develop one of the project. Now for now today's I will develop one of the project as a red student application project. I want to develop it. And as I told you, that will be actually ready-made everything. That is one of the that will be able to build one of the full stack application. Your front end, your back end, your live, you can, if you that is database is also there will be supported. And not only that, they will be also able to add the functionality for publish that your own domain. So everything is ready-made. It's not like it will be just build one of the application, then you have to download it or you have to use it into the different area. That will be not like it. So that is combined all that agentic mode options is in here. So they have also some of the references like as a clone Netflix. When you select it as a clone Netflix, automatically that will be created your entire total Netflix with the front end, back end, database, everything will be ready in here. Okay, but now I want to show you what type of things here you can do. You can attach multiple design if you want. By this design, it automatically that will be generated some of the specific design related layout. They are using that cloud as a 4.5 sonnet for the pro and the GPT-5 beta version, and they are using that cloud basically. And here by default is selected as a 4.5 sonnet, and also the advanced control you can do it. Select that MVC type tools, the different type of credits. You can also edit the different type of credits in particular that positions, and here you can also create it throughout. Not only that, adding the text, you can also able to add that voice recording. Very surprising one of the application, friend. I do personally like it so much. Now I want to show you what type of project that will be developed. Like here I want to add one of the prompt code, and this is the prompt code. I will also share that things with you. Here what exactly I have done, I just put one of the simple things like create a modern professional landing page for the restaurant website with name with a worm, and then I just want to make it as a Silicon Valley design. And here I put some of the included with the header, sticky navbar, logo, menu, what type of menu I want to add it. I simply put that in details information, what type of CTA that will be in here, what type of reservation now button, okay, and then my total CTA, and also my goal, what type of goal is in here, what type of footer I want to use it. So that is the one of the prompt code. You will also get this prompt code in your description, okay, in your video description. Make sure if you want to use this one, you can actually use it rather than any type of prompt code. If you add it, that will be also executed. But prompt is very important. When you put perfectly and give you this proper instructions to the throughout that prompt to the AI, that will be generated much more interactive web applications for you. So here I simply added that one of the prompt, and I do have that free account, and now I have already some of the 10 credits. Here if you go and you can see I had to have that as a 10 credits. If you want to upgrade, you can upgrade it, but now I want to use it. Okay, here if you want to do it, like that is the my command, and now I make it as a send. Now that will be start to working, and you can see it's already working like as a agent is running. So processing for the next step, one by one, that will be execute all that our process, and here all that our applications related preview, this preview will be displayed into the right side. So it may take little time, better when that will be completed our total application, I will come back again. And here you can see it will be ask you another question, like I will help you to create a stunning restaurant landing page. Before I dive into the implementation, let me clear a few important details. Like if you have any issues, he will be also able to ask you the questions. As the agent is asking a question, please answer the feature the further continue. Before I started the student landing page, I need to few quick details, the restaurant details, what is the restaurant name, the costing type. So here they have also putting some of the things is in here. So now I want to use some of the question answer, like my student restaurant name as a wow, okay, my company, okay, company or restaurant, whatever you choose. Like here I want to make it for our first question as a restaurant name, right? So I want to make it as my restaurant name will be as a wow, okay, so that will be my restaurant name, and add some demo data for now. I make it as a data for now, okay. I just put this type of one of the things is in here, and now let's check this out. And also it's getting that what type of do you need that online ordering functionality integration, should I add that or add to order? Yes, I want to also add it that our features is very important. I want to make it as a yes, add as a add to order button for product, okay. I just make it for product. So that will be depends on you what type of features you want to add. Like for the backend requirement, I can see there should be I build the fully functional reservation system with the database store, or start a front end only for the mockup. So here I don't want to now add that our backend functionality, and here I only want to use it our mockup. So I want to make it as a here, I want to copy it, okay. I want to make another one by pressing the shift. If you add the enter, that will be our next line, and here I selected as a start a front end only for the markup. And images, should I use that version Vision Expert, the source high quality food and restaurant image, and here do you have the specific image you do like to use? You can see in detail all that instructions is already in here. So now here I want to simply use it as a use high quality food restaurant image, okay. I want to use it as a use, okay, high quality food and restaurant images. Now that's all. So all that my instructions he already asked me, and I just put all that our things is in here. And as I told you, that will be one of the full stack applications. So if you want to also develop it for the backend and the database also, you can also able to add it, okay. So right now I don't have much credit, I have only the 10 credit, so that the reasons I want to do and to only create that our front end mockup. Let's check this out. Here I put all that our instructions is in here. I hope everything is very clear how to handle that answer for AI, and you can see agent is already waiting. That means he's ready to work. Now I want to make it as an enter. Now that should be running again. So if he ask me another questions, I will come back again, okay, because here it may take little time for develop this our total application. It may take minimum the 1 or 2 minutes, so you have to wait a little bit. And you can see is display as a perfect. Let me start by creating the high quality restaurant food images, then build and font in mockup wow restaurant. So one by one, you don't need to do anything right now. One by one, he will be generate each and everything with the images, and also our total layout that should be created automatically. One by one, he will be execute, okay. And here you can see, friends, right now that is successfully finished. Everything is fine. If you want to get that our preview version, you can preview it. If you want to deploy it, you can also able to deploy it. And also you will be get this type of one of the things like as the agent finish and how many credit I have left, and also that is successfully visible. Like right now into the right side here, you can see how much interactive and ready to productions level one of the application is successfully created. Okay, whatever the prompt I have added throughout this prompt, now that is actually generated this type of one of the application. So that will be depends on your prompt, as I told you before. And here if you put that in a different type of prompt, that will be generated as per your prompt related application. Like I have put it my application name as a wow, and if you now go to that your open tab, like I want to check it in our full page, like that means here you can see it's also give you one of the directly one of the URL also for here, and you can see very interactive one of the web application. They have the menu, gallery, reservation, about that successfully generated. The images also very interactive images, how many menu there have, the main courses, the dessert item, everything is ready made. Not only that, you can also able to add to cart it, and they have the book a table of option, that is a planning for that. Everything is very interactive. You can see here actually the gallery, the product related gallery is also created, and you can see it's also giving you the gallery related images. Everything is in here is perfect. Okay, and if you go, there is a make a reservation form. They have also one of the reservation form is ready, and here that means everything is executed, right? So now it's fine. Here if you go to that is our product, there is a product area. If you want to make it as add to cart, and you can see your add to cart is also successfully visible. That is add to cart is ready. If you want to increment it, you can increment it. Our price will be updated. Place the order, that is the order placed successfully, and this is for the demo order. So now that is the display, because here I didn't load that our backend here, but you can see one of the full phase application is successfully created. Very interactive, friend. I do personally like it so much. Before I have already created another project. If you want to check it, like here I have created all that your deploy, that means recent all that work, that will be, you will get it in your home page. That is a deployment. Here you can see I have created right now this one. Before I have created one of the SaaS landing application, which is for the AI hub. And if you go to that this preview, you will astonished how much interactive project actually build it for me. Like here if you open it, and you can see here I have already created this type of another application, and very good looking one of the application. You can see, so as I told you, that will be depends on your prompt, what type of prompt you will be added. So that will be generated by this. Okay, so here also that is fulfillment one of the application. They have the different type of prices is also in here. That is a dark mode. I have better develop it for trending all that our app, that will be displayed like that way. So this type of one of the applications I have actually added before, and that is our new restaurant web application. So how much easily you can develop some of the fulfill web application as a full stack web application as a front end. That should be some of the backend. Here you can also able to build it on the backend from to the backend. You can also able to update your all that menus, all that images, and also you can handle that orders that will be saved in your database. That will be also simply handle your database related everything. So this will be built not only that front end or the backend layout, it will be actually generated your entire total application, which is very good part. Okay, and also if you want to deploy this project to your own custom domain, you can also able to deploy it, but for the deploy they will be may charge as a 40 or something like that. If you go to that buy credit, here you will get that in details data in here. For the standard, you can see there is a mobile app development. You can also able to create it. The private app you can develop it, and then also here everything you can actually get it from here. Right now I'm using that free plan. So with the free plan you can also able to generate it. Okay, that is actually our application. Our total application is ready, is in here. How to use some of the full stack application with using that Emergent. I hope you get some idea. Okay, for now you are ready to develop any type of layout for a specific your product. You can actually develop it throughout this application. Okay, so that is one of the vibe coding, very interactive one of the agentic application. I hope that will help you a lot. So friend, if you want to learn programming related application, make that sure you subscribe my channel and stay with me. Thanks for watching and happy coding.